from around about 12:30, right? So going back to 12:30, we started to recognize that we had the 2 sigma guys coming in at that price. So at 12:30, we had the 2 sigma guy coming in at 76.80 approximately, 78.80. Okay, so there's the 2 sigma we had coming in from this guy here. Okay, so there's the 2 sigma guy right there. It's this candle here. Follow through, lovely, nice, everything looks good. And then what happened? Well, we obviously got a sell price up here. And when the price drops off that sell price, one of the things we recognize is we get another 2 sigma opportunity to buy in again. Nice. And it generates a little bit of a poor response. So when it generates a poor response and they then start selling, because we had a nice opportunity to buy again into this phase, of course, we'd already been long from this retest here. But when we see that failing this time again here, we now know that the liquidity is now in place here for what should be obviously a very simple trade, because obviously that there changes this from a swing high to a structural high. So all of a sudden we get 2 lines at that structural high price. So as soon as we put that second line in there, we know we're going to have to sweep the bottom edge here. Worst case, bottom edge. Might even go a little bit further, but the book's still bullish. So when we sweep the bottom edge, we now know we've got the trade we're looking for if the value still holds bullish, and it did still hold bullish. So we obviously were able to buy up the 76s again and run the trade back up to that liquidity at 77.16s. A brilliant bit of business. 35 ticks, value looks good, trade looks good, and the outcome was very good. So this is where we've been so far with this buy trade. We've been buying into this bottom edge, 2 sigma level, 2 sigma level, 2 sigma levels, and we've been able to sweep the top edge stops on every single occasion. So far, on every single occasion. And that's obviously where we're getting that brilliant bit of business just now, which has been absolutely fantastic in terms of its outcome, hasn't it? So well done, everybody that's involved, everybody that's traded it. We did shout it out earlier on today. We talked about it. We went through the 2 sigma levels. So even if you came in after the classroom, you were still able to have that price on your charts because that was the price we gave out. And if you liked what you saw with this seller coming in here, then the liquidity, then the buy trade, you got the perfect outcome, didn't you? You got the perfect outcome. And that's all we're trying to do, guys, is get the perfect outcome from these bits of business. So well done. I like it. I like it a lot.